Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain you chapter 16, part 2, garbage in and garbage out. Topics covered are paper recycling, plastic unnecessary evil, and garbage reduction. Paper recycling. Paper is a biodegradable product derived from wood. The cutting down of trees will be reduced by reusing and recycling of paper. Making paper bags, book covers, and paper mache are some ways to recycle paper. Students, now I will explain you about paper mache. Tear small pieces of waste paper like newspapers, magazines, notebooks, and envelopes. Glossy and laminated paper should not be used. Soak the pieces of paper in a bowl for 1 day. Mash the mixture and make a thick paste. Add some gum to this paste and mix it well. Spread the paste on a wire mesh and place the sieve on a sheet of newspaper or old cloth to soak up extra water. Level the layer of paste by patting it from the top. Add colors and pieces of flowers, petals, leaves to make it fancy. Remove the layer of paste from the sieve and spread it on a sheet of newspaper in the sun. Cover it with a plastic sheet and then keep a couple of heavy books to keep the paste pressed while it dries, so that the corners are pressed properly and they don't curl up. Check after 2 days, you will get a sheet of recycled paper. Students, now I will explain you about plastic unnecessary evil. Things made of plastic are used almost everywhere. In bathroom, we use buckets, whereas jar we use to store food. Qualities of plastic. Due to its durability, lightweight, and non-rusting property, plastic is preferred more compared to other materials. Plastic ware is also economical, so the use of plastic is beneficial and essential. When we use it excessively and dispose it carelessly, the problem begins. Use of plastic damages our environment. Children, now I will explain you about the indiscriminate use of plastic. Plastic bags do not rot, whereas some plastic can be recycled. Food grade plastic is used for storing food, whereas other plastic make food toxic. So we should use paper or cloth bag instead of plastic. This will reduce the waste of plastic. Disposal of plastic. Heating and burning plastic release harmful gases and it contains cancer causing agents. Kitchen waste should not be thrown in plastic bags. Stray animals swallow plastic bags with food and this can choke them and they can die. So place the food waste on the ground, not in the plastic bag. Plastic blocks drains and causes floods during rainy season. So plastic should be banned everywhere. Garbage reduction. The 3 R's are reduce, reuse, and recycle. And this helps to cut down the amount of waste we throw. Children, now I will explain you about 3 R's. Reduce waste as much as possible. For example, use dishcloth instead of paper towel. Reuse the product as many times as possible. For example, reuse of plastic bottle and plastic bag. Recycle the material which are thrown away and can be used again for making new products. For example, plastic can. Children, now I will explain you some ways to reduce garbage. Vegetables, fruits, and kitchen waste should be composted so that we can get manure from it. Use paper and jute bags to reduce the use of plastic bag. Old and slight broken plastic ware, ceramic ware, or glassware can be used for potting plants. Use both sides of the paper to write. For rough work, use slate instead of paper. Recycling of paper can be done by the art of paper mache. Old greeting cards and decorative materials can be used to make fancy diaries. Greeting cards or decorative photo frames can be made of pencil shavings. Paste the shavings in a different patterns and color them with different colors. Reducing garbage will reduce the load on environment. Thank you.